This is a demonstration of the grounding issue between Canon cameras and the Tascam 701D. The 701D I have on the bottom here is threaded onto the bottom of this Canon G40. The same problem exists on the Canon G30 and probably many other cameras. It's just screwed on like you normally would mount the audio recorder underneath the camera. The output of the 701D is plugged into the microphone input on the camera. That's it. This is a headphone I'm using to monitor the output. I'm not recording on the 701D, and as you can see, I have nothing else plugged into it on the inputs. What I'm going to do is simply start recording on the Canon camcorder here, and let's see what it's recording in terms of audio. You can see that it's picking up some audio from somewhere, even though nothing's actually plugged into the 701D, and the 701D's microphones are not turned on. Notable is you can see every time that tally lamp turns on, we've got an audible recording on the camera. If I unscrew the threads between the camera and the camcorder even half a turn, if I can, let's see, hang on. Give me a second here. You'll notice it gets silent instantly. The camera is still going, and I just simply loosened the thread underneath the camera here. This little wheel. As soon as I tighten it again, loosen, tighten, loosen, tighten. That's it.